Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. In this one today, I'm going to be speaking about the only business model that is easier than starting a social media marketing agency. Now, just before we jump into that, if you are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And let's jump into it. So a lot of the time, I hear people make a lot of excuses as to all the reasons why they cannot start a social media marketing agency. And one of the big things that holds a lot of people back is just that they don't understand the results side of it. You know, they don't understand how to use Facebook advertising. They don't feel confident enough to get results. They don't understand what custom audiences are. They don't understand the Facebook pixel, and therefore they don't feel ready enough to start their business. And while I understand that, and I do agree that you should, obviously put results first. You always want to make sure you get fantastic results for your clients. At the same time, that shouldn't hold you back from getting started, but it is also a very understandable reason as to why you wouldn't get started. So what I wanted to do today is just tell you if a business model is even easier than social media marketing, so you can just get started today. You can throw that limiting belief out the window, get started with this business model, and then move on to social media marketing once you've learned more about it. The last thing I want you to do is just be, again, in perfection paralysis, keep learning and learning and learning and never take action. Instead, if that's what's holding you back, is that you don't feel confident enough with Facebook ads, I want to give you a business model that you can start today while you can learn Facebook ads alongside that, still make some money, and then move on to social media marketing in a couple of months. And that business model is social media management. Now, just a bit of a backstory. A lot of you already know my story, but social media management was the first thing I did. It's the first business model I used to make money online. And I'll put it out there. It is the easiest way to make money online, period. I will debate and argue with anybody. It is the easiest, real solid business model. It's the easiest skill that you can offer to somebody to make money online in 2019, period, okay? With Facebook advertising, there's a lot that goes into it. There's a lot of things that go into it. It depends on the business, the niche. You have to copyright, you have to design ad creative, you have to set up custom audiences, you have to make sure the pixel's installed properly, you have to understand the interface. Social media management is just posting on social media. Now, 99% of people who are watching this video know how to make an Instagram post and a Facebook post. And guess what? Businesses are willing to pay you anywhere from $300 up to around an average of $1,000 a month to do so, okay? And the best thing about it is you can get these clients very, very easily using freelance websites. So as mentioned, bit of a backstory. My first client that I ever landed was a social media management client, and I had no previous experience. I'd never ran any Facebook ads. I'd never had any clients before. I'd never made a single dime online, never made a penny online. And I got this first client for social media management. And the next day I started making social media posts, and I was making $500 every single month from that one client. A couple of days go by and I had another client for an additional, I think it was $600 a month, $500 or $600 a month. And then I was making $1,000 a month. Anyway, within a few weeks, I was making £3,000 to £4,000 a month just offering social media management services. That was quadruple my old salary. I was able to get myself out of my overdraft and start a real business. And all I had to do was make social media posts. You don't have to be a fantastic graphic designer, because guess what? You can use Canva, where there's templates. You can pay a designer, or you can just request the content from your client and make the posts. Besides that, all you have to do is write simple captions and post on social media. You can use scheduling software like Hootsuite or Sprout Social or Buffer, all of which you can learn how to use on YouTube within 20 minutes for free. So I plead anybody right now who's watching this, who is on the edge and isn't starting their social media agency because they don't understand the result side of it, to take a really big consideration into starting social media management, okay? And guess what? When you get a few clients for social media management, alongside doing that, you can learn Facebook ads, and when you're ready, you can then upsell your current clients. You can go out and get, again, some higher ticket clients on retainers for Facebook ads. But don't be in perfection paralysis when you're just learning and never getting started. Because let me tell you this, There's never ever going to be a right time to get started. There's never going to be a time where you think, okay, today is the day that I've officially learned enough to jump in head first and get some clients. You're never going to reach that point. You have to throw yourself in the deep end. So you may as well do it with something as simple as social media management and making posts on social media. So what I recommend you do, go on freelance websites, create profiles as a social media manager, and reach out to people actively looking for help with Instagram, with posting on Facebook, posting on LinkedIn, okay? And just get started. Over deliver, build up your reviews, learn Facebook ads, and then at a later date, if you want to offer the service, you can do so. I have people in my training program who have landed 20, 30 plus clients, and they only run social media management agencies. They never even decided they're having so much success with the social media management business, they never even started a Facebook advertising agency. The skill is in demand. Although it's a very easy skill, what you've got to understand is if companies were to hire in-house, they're going to pay $2,000 to $4,000 a month for a salary for somebody in-house to do that. So by you charging $300, $400, $500, $600, $1,000 a month, you're still massively undercutting the cost it would take for them to hire in-house, all right? Hopefully this video helped. Again, don't let anything hold you back. Get started today, create your account. Don't watch this video and then go on to the next one and the next one and the next one and procrastinate. Right now, go create your Upwork profile, create a freelancer account, create a people per hour account, Top Towel, Guru, create all of them and just start reaching out to businesses, because social media management is easy as it gets, and you only need a few clients until you're making a full-time income. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found some value. If you are interested in how you can actually build your own social media management agency and social media marketing agency from scratch, utilizing freelance websites, I'm gonna teach you how to build a team, all of that good stuff. I do have my training program that's gonna be linked down below called the Social Media Marketing Academy. So definitely check that out. It's definitely worth the investment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.